Hi there, and welcome to Sparker's Academy. In this course, we'll cover all the fundamentals of search engine optimization, or SEO for short. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, like Google. The higher your website ranks, the more visibility and traffic you can get, which can ultimately lead to more business and revenue. Throughout this course, we'll cover a variety of topics related to SEO, such as keyword research, on-page optimization, technical SEO, link building, and much more. We'll also dive into some advanced topics like international SEO, local SEO, and voice search optimization. Our course is structured in a way that makes it easy to follow and learn. We'll cover each topic in a clear and concise manner, and we'll provide examples and case studies to help you apply what you've learned. This course is designed to be beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to SEO or don't have a technical background, you'll be able to follow along easily. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone who's interested in learning more about SEO, this course is for you. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how SEO works, and you'll be able to implement effective SEO strategies for your website. You'll also be able to use some of the best SEO tools in the industry to help you along the way. So, if you're ready to take your SEO knowledge to the next level, enroll now and let's get started.